Right, I have a square room, a square carpet, whatever, okay? Now then, there it is. I don't know the dimensions. Okay, so x times x. Well, of course, that's x squared, isn't it? Okay, the area of this is going to be x squared. Okay, there's my original room, original square carpet, whatever it is. I am going to increase the width, the length of this room carpet by 2 feet. Right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to go on here by 2 feet. There we go. But I'm also going to increase the width or the length the other way by 3 feet. Right, so I'm going to go this way another 3 feet. Okay, let's see there. So let's write some things on here. Okay, I've got an extra 2 feet this way and an extra 3 feet that way. Okay, so let's just fill in some lines here. Okay, I've gone all the way out to there and down here. Okay, so that's now my new room. Now let's have a look at this. I'm going to break this up like this. Okay, now can you see this now? Okay, so the whole thing, this was the original. Let's do this little bit of colours here. So in here, all this here, this is my original room. Okay, I have to use a bigger size pen. One sec. Okay, so all this is my original room, right? And I've just increased it by 2 feet one way and 3 feet the other. Okay, so back to some colours now. Excuse me. Right, okay, so now then, can you see that? I'm going to have to reduce the size of my pen now. Okay, can you see that this section here, okay, what is the area of this section here? Okay, well, can you see it's still got this original x this way times by 2. Okay, the area of this part is 2x. Okay, x times 2, 2 times x. Pen a little bit smaller again. Okay, so the area of this in here, okay, we can see x times 3, 3 times x, that's 3x. Okay, now how about this little area here? Well, can you see that this bit is 3, okay, based on over here, and this bit down here is 2. Well, that's 6. Okay, so what I've got here, if I add all this together, my new room is now this. Right, the original x squared, okay, I'm colourblind, which is this colour, right, plus the 2x to the right of it, okay, here, plus the 3x just below it, and then plus this 6 here, just 3 times 2. Okay, so the new area of my room was x squared. It's now x squared plus, now think about it, 2x and 3x, 5x plus 6. Okay, that's the new area of my room. Now what we're trying to get at this is, what you've done is this. Watch, you've added a 2 to an x, you've added a 3 to an x, so what you could do is actually this. It's x plus 2, the whole this way along the room or carpet, whatever it is, times x plus 3, which is this way down, okay, and that should equal this then, okay. So instead of me breaking into bits, if I do it all together, x plus 2 times x plus 3 should give me x squared plus 5x plus 6. Here it is. It's called, for those who might know it, the famous FOIL, all right, because of this. For first, you multiply the first 2, all right, the x times the x. Now you know your rules. x1 is x2, x squared, okay? That's the first, okay? You did the first. Now you're going to do the outer 2. The outer 2 is the x times the 3. So what you've done is you've taken that x, you've multiplied by the x in the second, and then the 3 in the second parenthesis. So that's 3x. That's the outer two terms, okay? Now the I is for the inner two terms. The 2 times the x is 2x. Okay? And then the last is the last 2, the 2 times the 3. And that is 6. Now can you see you've got exactly what we did up here. Okay? When you combine the middle two, you'll get 5x. Okay? So that's FOILs, first, outer, inner, last. So I think in the next video I'll do a few of those, okay?